Incredible facts you've never heard before, Part 1. Currently, many organizations around the world are researching a system called Brain-Computer Interface, BCI, a system that allows people to control computers with their thoughts. The goal of BCI is to create a direct interface between humans and computers, using electrical signals from the brain to control and interact with digital devices. BCI collects electrical signals from the brain through sensors placed on the scalp. Then, through signal processing algorithms, the user's intentions or actions are decoded and converted into control commands for computers or other electronic devices. With BCI, users can control computers, play games, write documents, or even disabled people can control their prosthetic limbs just by thinking similarly to normal people. The growth potential for BCI is huge. It is expected that this technology will continue to develop and become popular in the next few years to a decade. Incredible facts you've never heard before, Part 2. The Valensole UFO case is often regarded as one of the most credible encounters with UFOs and aliens in history. On July 1, 1965, Maurice Masse, a farmer, witnessed an object descending from the sky and landing in a lavender field approximately 60 meters away from him. Initially assuming it to be an illegal helicopter landing, Masse approached the site. However, he soon realized that it was not a helicopter but an oval-shaped structure resting on 4 legs. Positioned in front of the craft were 2 figures, standing at less than 1.2 meters tall, adorned in tight blue-gray attire. These beings possessed oversized heads with pointed chins, large slanted eyes, and emitted a peculiar nagging sound. Upon noticing Masse's presence, one of the creatures aimed a pencil-like device at him, inducing paralysis. Subsequently, the 2 entities swiftly made their way to the craft resembling a rugby ball. Within moments, the UFO ascended into the sky and vanished. This event sent shockwaves throughout France at the time. Investigations ensued, all converging on the conclusion of the story's veracity. Physical evidence included distinct traces on the ground, notably a flat surface measuring just over 1 meter in diameter, with a cylindrical hole approximately 30 centimeters deep and 15 centimeters in diameter at its center. Additionally, Masse exhibited symptoms of depression and insomnia following the encounter. Furthermore, vegetation in the vicinity decayed, and analysis revealed elevated levels of calcium at the landing site compared to other areas. Remarkably, no lavender plants remained growing at the location for the subsequent decade. Incredible facts you've never heard before, Part 3. If you ever wonder what the largest crab in the world, here is the answer for you. It's the Japanese spider crab, also known by its scientific name Macrocheira kaempferi. The Japanese spider crab is renowned as a giant among crabs, with a weight of up to 19 kilograms and a span of its front claws reaching up to 3.7 meters. There have even been cases recorded of individuals weighing around 20 kilograms and boasting a record length of 4.2 meters, rivaling the size of a small car. What's astonishing is that at birth, they are just a few millimeters long. These crabs primarily inhabit the waters around Japan and have also been spotted along the northeast coast of Taiwan. They dwell in the depths of the sea, at depths exceeding 500 meters below sea level, a depth almost entirely secluded from human reach. Despite their imposing size, Japanese spider crabs are not aggressive creatures. Their diet mainly consists of small creatures such as fish, shellfish, and other crustaceans. While they may occasionally get caught by deep-sea fishing vessels, they are not as sought after as other crab species like the Alaskan king crab. This could be due to their limited distribution and the difficulty in capturing them. Moreover, there have been no documented cases of Japanese spider crabs attacking humans. Hence, it can be said that they are among the rare species that can peacefully coexist with humans. Incredible facts you've never heard before, Part 4. In the future, humans can completely control cancer through an advanced method called immunotherapy. Unlike traditional methods like chemotherapy and surgery, immunotherapy doesn't directly destroy cancer cells. Instead, it focuses on stimulating and enhancing the body's natural immune system to eradicate cancer cells, preventing disease recurrence and spread. Particularly, this method doesn't harm healthy cells like traditional approaches. two drugs, pembrolizumab and nivolumab, both approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for treating various cancers. Pembrolizumab has proven effective in treating lung cancer, providing prolonged benefits in survival rate and remission for some patients. Similarly, nivolumab has demonstrated effectiveness in treating melanoma, kidney cancer, colorectal cancer, and many other types of cancer. Although the remission rate depends on various factors such as disease severity, overall health, and patient condition, the effectiveness of immunotherapy is remarkably impressive. With advancing technology and scientific progress, the prospect of controlling this formidable disease one day is entirely feasible. Incredible facts you've never heard before, Part 5. The Bermuda Triangle area, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a hotspot of unexplained mysteries in the world. Since the mid-19th century, this area has witnessed over 1,000 cases of mysterious disappearances, including ships and airplanes. The common feature of these disappearances is their suddenness and lack of trace, despite the equipped rescue devices. Some theories suggest that this phenomenon may be due to the harsh weather conditions, as the area frequently experiences storms and tornadoes. However, not all cases can be explained by this. Others believe it's due to the intervention of supernatural forces or extraterrestrial beings. Many reports from researchers also indicate that people in the area have witnessed strange lights and unidentified flying objects in the sky. Although the U.S. government has not recognized the Bermuda Triangle as a dangerous area, there are still many questions that need answers in one of the world's biggest mysteries.